Hey guys, I'm back with Build, Think, Create, and I just wanted to tell you I'm about to go to Home Depot to pick up my desk thing. Turns out I'm not going to be building it. I'm going to get like a little portable desk I can like set up, but I will show like a video of me sort of setting it up and putting everything I need in the workbench, and I'll show you how my organization skills will be. So, yeah, I'm gonna, about to go now, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back, and I'm super excited, because I just got the desk, and I'm about to show it to you. Ready? Bam! This is the back right here. It's the legs and stuff, and, yeah. Right here, let me show you real quick. It's like a husky, and it's all awesome like that. And I just want to dive right into this. So I'm gonna take my tools, and I'm gonna get this open. You ready? Okay. If you're curious, these are my tools. Yes, it's amazing. And this came out of its little slot area. Yes, because I need this all to be neat. But, okay, so, seeing as there are these bands right there, I think I'll just go in with some scissors and see how that works. If not, we'll get an X-Acto knife. You ready? Satisfying. And next one. There we go. Okay. Boom. 2 scraps of it done. Now, okay, here I'll need the scissors again just to get this sort of tape off right there. Don't know how good you can see it. You just gotta cut that open. Whew, gotta get that box off and oh no! Okay, and there we go. Now all we have to do is pick it up, and it's off. And if you're wondering, this is it. There's like a panel right here if you want to put some tools through it. I forget what it's called though. And there are some clamps in here that you could slide in and out of this area. But this is what I got. I got a Husky 1,500-pound capacity portable workbench, and yeah, I'm really excited. So let's just bring it down. And so right here, I'm gonna. How do I do it? Oh, slip through the metal rails there. Okay, how am I going? Oh, so that's how. So I'm gonna pull that out and pull this up, and the other one should just come out. Okay, now we lift this up, and we lift this up. Oh God, this is so annoying. Okay, there we go. And so these are my clamps that I have. No, these are the clamps. I think, I don't know. It's gonna be tedious, and I mean tedious. Okay. So now let's bring this in. Up. Blah. Okay. So at this point, we're in my little storage area where I'm do all the rest of the things. So now let's take out all the legs. I'll try and get you guys a good view, more or less. So I'm going to pull that back, pull this out, pull this out, pull this out, and pull this out. I am a little confused. Oh, okay. Okay, so the legs just come out all separately. Uh-oh, they keep hitting the wall there. Okay. Now then, I need to take the legs, depending on which way it goes, like this. So you want to take, if you're building this, you want to take this black thing right there. And you're going to want to slide it in. It slides in, there's a little hole. You just twist it. Crap. That was not going according to plan. Okay. You want to push it in there, and then you just want to slide it closed. I'm just twisting it. What the? There we go. Yeah, once you hear that, it like goes in up. So go in and you will go in. Okay, now it should be straight. Once it goes in all the way, that's how you know it's like good. Oh, I thought it was going to tip over on me. I'm gonna, I'm gonna lean this forward, make sure it gets in there all the way. I just wanna twist it around. So now it's sturdy like that. And now the other ones. I'm gonna just move you guys over here. And spider. You ready? I got it. Okay. Just gonna move you guys over here so phone doesn't get in the way, and so I just wanna repeat the same process as before. So I wanna push it in like that and twist to the right. Push it in like I just wanna be twisting it around so you can get it in, and once you see that it's in, you just twist it to the right so it's locked. And now, ow, I just want to lift and turn. Woo. There we go, guys. I have it all ready like that. I'm going to twist it around. Are you serious? Okay, just want to pull and push it all the way in. Just gonna turn. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back, and so if you're wondering why I had to cut, it's because before this desk, it was like turned the other way, so I had to take off all the legs and then reinstall it, sort of. Now let's bring this thing that came with it over and beneath, or not beneath, over. And so, yeah, what we got here is we have two bags, one bag right here, and two bags. Let's get right into opening them. So, just gotta undo the tape. I'm gonna put some scissors, well, my scissors that I used before. I'll just slide all my tools into my area. Okay. So, got my scissors. Now, I'm just going to snip off, I don't know if you can see right there, but I'm going to snip off that red strip, which means I got to just get some scissors under there, just enough to make a slit that I can rip open the rest of it. Now, in the bag we have a couple of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them. And in here, we're going to do the same thing. Slit and open. Now we're going to open the entire bag all the way. So we have a little paper as a manual. And this is a manual to the workbench, guys. It's a manual about this entire thing and how like these slide around and everything, like these thingies, the iron tin rails. And then what else do we have? We have this. We have a bunch of screws and yeah. And we got a bunch of these plastic backings, about 4 of them. And then we have these, which I believe are the vices, if I'm correct. So, I just want to clean up real quick, and by clean up I mean just throw all the things I don't need in this box. And put the box down. Okay. So then I want to get this manual, because if you're going to follow the manual, it's the manual. Okay. So, give me a sec, just let me see what I gotta do. Okay guys, I'm back. And, oops. Yeah, I have figured out what all this stuff is for. Basically, these are the vices. Let me show you. They go in like this, so then I could vice it down. And these are for this plate right here in case you want to like put in a drill bit or something for your drill underneath. I don't know. And these screws are just screws that came with it. And these things, they go into here as a means of putting wood on here to sort of expand the size. So I am going to put it all back in its little utility container thing that I put a bunch of trash in earlier. Just to keep it organized. Okay. I say just to keep it organized as I throw it all in and you hear a bunch of clanking noises. Oh, and screws. Okay. So, guys, yeah, this is it. I got my tools, I got my bench, I got my everything. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you next time on Build, Think, Create.